Preston, 6th-degree black belt and known as the Cyber Sensei. For over 30 years, I've been teaching families, children, teen, adults, and people just like you. And now you have the opportunity to train right in the comfort of your own home, as often as you want, as much as you want, and wherever you want, with our free online martial arts curriculum from white belt to black belt. In this video, you're gonna learn how to use your basics, both left and right, with numbers and step slides. So make sure you have lots of room, you have your uniform on, and you're ready to get started. Are you guys ready to get started?
Yes, Sensei!
Are you guys ready to get started?
Yes, Sensei!
Are you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei!
Are you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei!
Alright, here we go. Ready to show me class attention? Good, bow courtesy. Back up. Alright, in the beginning of each lesson, we're going to have a life skill. And the life skill for white belt, again, is good discipline. Everybody say good discipline.
Good discipline!
Say it again. Say good discipline.
Good discipline!
Stick your finger out like this. Everybody say do it the first time.
Do it the first time!
When parents and teachers ask you to do something, how many times do they want to ask you to do it? Everybody say one time.
One time!
If your wife asks you to do something, how many times do you want to ask you to do it?
One time!
If your husband asks you to do something, how many times do they want to ask you to do it?
One time!
Alright, so good discipline means do things the first time. And to be a good martial artist, always important to learn what good discipline is and practice it by doing things the first time. Now that you know how to do your step slides, both forward and switch, we're going to do them left and right, and we're going to add numbers. Meaning 1 is going to be defensive, 2 offensive, and 3 is turn. Alright, first we're going to do it facing you, then we're going to turn around, you can follow along with us. Alright, here we go. Show me class attention. Bow courtesy. Guarding stance left, loud, hat. So I'm going to say number 1, you're going to do a front punch, and you're going to be defensive, staying right where you are. Show me a front punch, 1, hiya. Now 2, we're going to be moving offensive with your step slide, moving forward. 2, show me step slide and front punch, hiya. 3 is going to be turn. 3, turn your hiya. Again, we're doing this beginner style, Ready, 1, show me the front punch, hiya. Oh, let's try that again, here we go. Ready, 1, front punch, hiya. Now number 2, with a step slide, front punch, hiya. 3, turn with a loud yell, hiya. Let's do it again, here we go. So 1 is going to be the punch, we're going to do front punch. 2 is step slide, 3 is turn and yell. Show me front punch, 1. Step slide, 2. 3, turn and yell, hiya. Front punch, 1. Step slide, 2. 3, turn and yell, hiya. Alright, now we did the front punch, let's add in the back punch. Make sure on the back punch that we give it a full twist. Ready, show me number 1, back punch with a twist, so hiya. Very good, let's try it again. I'm really looking to see that you guys twist those back feet, that's really important. And that way it gives it a long extension on the punch. Here we go. Let's try it again. Back punch, ready? 1, hiya. Very good. Now 2, step slide. And a back punch again, hiya. 3, turn with a loud yell, hiya. Bring those guards up. Back punch is going to be with the left hand. Here we go, with a twist. Back punch, ready? 1, hiya. 2, step slide. And another back punch, hiya. 3, turn and yell, hiya. Getting a little faster. Here we go. Ready? 1, back punch, hiya. And 2, step slide back punch. 3, turn and yell, hiya. Back punch, ready? 1. Step slide back punch, 2. 3, turn and yell, hiya. Alright, now we did the front punch, the back punch. Let's add in the front kick. Here we go. Are you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei!
Okay, make sure you pick that front knee up, we fold and refold it. Ready? Front kick, ready? 1, hiya. 2, step slide, front kick, hiya. 3, turn and yell, hiya. With the right leg this time. Ready, front kick, ready? 1, 2, step slide, front kick, hiya. 3, turn yell, hiya. Again, ready, front kick, ready? 1, step slide, 2. 3, turn yell, hiya. Front kick, 1, step slide, 2. And intention. Bow courtesy. Alright. You guys are doing a great job here. Clap yourselves. Looking really, real good. Now that you have a little bit of understanding about how to do those step slides, left and right, we're going to turn around so you can follow along with us. Make sure if you're sitting on the couch that you get up. If you're sitting on the couch, you're not going to be learning. So it's time to get up and let's train. Here we go. Ready? Let's turn around and that way everyone can follow along with us. Show me clap attention. Bow courtesy. 1, 2, 3. Guarding stance left. Loud yell, hiya. So what we do, 1 is doing the punch, 2 is moving forward. Ready? Front punch, 1. Step slide, 2. 3, turn yell. Front punch, 1. Step slide, 2. 3, turn yell. Okay, let's do it again a little faster. Here we go. Front punch, 1. Step slide, 2. 3, turn high. one. Step slide two. Big turn yell. Okay, next will be the back punch. Full twist on that heel, on that back foot. Back punch one. Step slide two. Big turn yell. Back punch one. Step slide two. Big turn yell. So back punch again. Full twist a little bit faster. Back punch one. Step slide two. Big turn yell. Back punch one. Step slide two. Big turn yell. Now let's add in the front kick. Make sure you fold and refold. Front kick, ready, one. Step slide two. Free turn yell. Front kick one. Step slide two. Free turn yell. One more time. Front kick one. Step slide two. Free turn yell. Front kick one. Step slide two. Free turn yell. Alright, every couple times you guys are doing a great job. Looking really, really good. Nice job, guys. Okay, now you know how to do your basics left and right, beginner style. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have a little bonus, and the bonus is you guys are gonna compete against my Cyber Sensei family. Are you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei!
Are you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei!
I'm gonna have them turn around. I'm gonna say front punch one, step slide two, three turn yell, and your goal is to try to beat my Cyber Sensei family. You wanna try and beat them. Are you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei!
All right, here we go. Ready, turn around. All right, here we go. Ready, show me class attention. Bow courtesy. Guarding stance, left loud, yell, hiya. All right, I'm gonna say front punch one, and you guys gotta try to beat him. On two is gonna be stepping forward, three is gonna be turn. Here we go. Ready, try to beat him. Ready, front punch one. Step side two. Three turn yell. Front punch one. Step side two. Three turn yell. Back punch, right, one. Step side two. Three turn yell. Back punch one. Step side two. Three turn yell. Front kick, right, front kick one. Step side two. Three turn yell. Front kick one. Step side two. Three turn yell. All right, give yourselves a big hand. Looking good. All right. Next, what we're going to be doing is the workout wheel. So go ahead, if you guys can go ahead and grab the workout wheel.
Yes, Sensei!
All right. Remember, we always want to get fit, stay fit, never quit. Everybody say get fit.
Get fit.
Stay fit.
Stay fit.
Never quit.
Never quit.
Help me out again. Everybody say get fit.
Get fit.
Stay fit.
Stay fit.
Never quit.
Never quit.
All right, here we go. And who's going to spin the workout wheel today? Tristan's going to spin it for us. All right, I hope he's got something good for us today. Try not to go. Where it stops. No one knows. Squat kicks. All right, squat kicks. All right. We're going to do 10 squat kicks. And for those of you who don't know what a squat kick is, we're going to have our feet about shoulder width apart. We're going to squat down, keep it back straight. We don't want to bend over and stick your booty out like this. All right? Right? We're going to keep that back straight. We're going to back straight. So we're going to squat down. We're going to kick with one foot. Hiya! Squat down, keep that back straight. Kick with the other foot. Hiya! And we're going to do 10 of those. Remember, each belt level is going to get tougher and tougher and tougher. So gold belt, we're going to be doing more. Orange belt, a little bit more. So we're going to start off with 10 today. Are you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei!
So 10 squat kicks. We're going to start with the left leg. Here we go. Ready? Down, up. Ready? One. Down, up. Two. Down, up. Three. Down, up. Four. Down, up. Five. Down, up. Six. Down, up. Seven. Down, up. Eight. Down, up. Nine. Down, up. 10. Give yourselves a big hand. That's good. Nice job. The next part of the lesson is the skill drill. Remember, reaction time is focus. It's really important, and the skill drill is going to help us obtain that. So today's skill drill, what we're going to be doing is called a row challenge. Kind of like you competed against my Cyber Sensei family a minute ago, you're going to compete against them again. They're going to be going forward this time in rows. Here we go. Ready? So first row, show me attention. Right to back, loud, higher. Let's try that again. Show me attention. Right leg back, loud, higher. All right, so you guys over here, out there, you should have your right leg back. You should be facing right now my Cyber Sensei family right now. So you should be facing them. I'm going to say go, and you're going to do a step side front punch, hiya, and try to beat them. So the skill drill is working on reaction timing. Pow. When I say go, who's the fastest? Your goal is to beat my Cyber Sensei family. All right, I'm going to say front punch, go, and you're going to step slide front punch. Are you guys ready? Let's get started.
Yes,
Ready, go. And go that line. I want some loud yells out there. Okay, you got to beat them again. Here we go. Ready, go. Run. Here we go. Let's try it again. Step, slide, front punch. Make sure you're doing those step, slide, front punches. Ready, go. Run. Here we go. Next up. Ready, go. Run. Here we go. Now we're going to be adding in the back punch. Your goal is to step side, pow, and try to be faster than them. You're going to step in, pow, and do that punch. You're going to aim straight ahead. Here we go. You guys are stepping forward, right towards the camera. Here we go. Ready, go. Step that back punch. Run. Here we go. Try to beat him. Do it again. Ready, go. Run. Who are you beating? I want to see who you're beating. A part of my family over here. Who's going to win? Ready, go. Run. Here we go. Ready, with the step side back. Let's go. Run. All right. Next up, we'll be doing the front kick. We're going to be step, slide, pow, front kick. Who is going to win? Which one of my Cyber Sensei family are you going to beat? All right, are they going to beat you guys?
No, Sensei!
All right, are you guys going to beat them? Say yes, Sensei. Here we go. Here we go. Let's do it. We're doing the step, slide, front kick. Ready, go. Run. I want some yells in there. I think they're beating you. Ready, go. Hear the yells. Run. All right, there's some intensity. Ready, go. Run. I want to hear the yells again with the front kick. Go. Run. Here we go. Again, ready, go. Run. All right, we're going to All right, we're going to do it again, except this time we're going to add it 3 times. So we're going to be like step side front punch, step side front punch, step side front punch. We're going to do it 3 times. Now, if your child is on the couch, parents, get your child up. Make sure they're doing it with you. If your husband's sitting down, get him off the couch. If your wife's sitting down, get him out there. The whole family needs to be out here and doing this. Let's train. Remember, get fit, never quit. All right, let's do it. Here we go. Ready, guys? Ready? Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Right side back, left, higher. So this time you're going to be doing step, slide, front punch 3 times. So you're going to be doing it 3 times. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3 with that step, slide, front punch. Are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Run. I want 3 yells. 3 yells. Ready, go. Hey, hey, hey. Nice. Ready, run. 3 yells. Ready, go. Nice. Oh, that was fast. Jaden won. Here we go. Ready, go. Hey, hey, hey. All right, Robbie won that time. Here we go. Let's do it the back punch. I want to be twisting. All right. See if you guys can beat my family. Ready with the back punch. 3 times. Twisting. Go. Make sure it's twisting again. I think Jaden gave you guys a whooping over there. Girls rule, boys drool. Here we go. Ready and go. Andrea gave everybody whooping. Here we go. Girls are winning. Girls are beating the boys. Full twist. Full twist. No cheating. Ready, go. 3 of them. Jaden won again. Oh man, girls are winning. One more time. Ready, go. Here we go. Robbie got you guys that time. Alright, next up with the front kick. 3 front kicks. So we'll go step, slide, front kick. Step, slide, front kick. Step, slide, front kick. 3 times right towards my family. Here we go. Are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Ready, go. 3 front kicks. 1, 2, 1. Alright, Kristen got you guys that time. There we go. 3 yells, go. Robbie got it. Here we go. Ready, go. Alright, good job. You guys tied. Here we go. Ready? Trying to beat him. One more time. Ready? Go. Look at the yell. I think Bonnie won that time. Ready? Last one. Guards up. Ready? Go. Nice. Give yourselves a big hand. You guys are awesome. Nice job with your skill drill today. You guys are awesome. Okay, so we're getting close to the end of this lesson. So here's what we'll be doing on the very next lesson. The next lesson, we'll be doing those basics left and right with numbers. However, we'll be doing it advanced style. So everybody show me attention. Bow courtesy. Guarding stance left, left. So beginner style would be a step, slide, front punch, how I showed you. Everybody show me step, slide, front punch. Turn, loud, step, slide, front punch. Turn. Advanced style, we're going to make it a little quicker by, instead of doing a step, a slide, and a punch, which is 3 moves, that would be like 1, 2, 3. We're going to break it down to 2 moves. So we're going to step and punch at the same time. So that would be like 1 move, and then slide up afterwards. So we're going to do like a step punch, and then slide up. And we're going to be doing that with a front punch, back punch, and front kick. So stay tuned for the next lesson. Okay, congratulations. It's now time to earn your 2nd stripe. All right, so go ahead and make sure you have your belts and your tape. And if you don't know what stripes are, we're going to have you go to a website called howtoearnstripes.com, and that'll explain to you what stripes are, what you're going to do with them, and how they're going to help you advance from one belt level to the next belt level. So we're going to take your red tape, and we're going to give you stripe number 2. Every clap, give them a big hand for congratulations. Stripe number 2. Now that you've finished white belt lesson number 4, and you've got your 2nd stripe, here's what to do next. Number one, if you haven't done this yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button. As subscribing to our channel is going to help you get all of our videos in order because you want to make sure you're practicing everything in order. All the lessons are progressive. Number two, what you want to do is hit that like button with a chop. Chop it in half, hiya! Because YouTube loves likes, so if you can give us a like, that would be great. Make sure you click on the accept notifications. That way, every time we upload a new video, you will be notified that a new video is available for you. Next, if you haven't done this yet, click on the link below in the description that says tryfreekarate.com. That's going to explain to you all about the benefits of becoming a member of Cyber Kicks Academy and how to be certified to becoming a black belt. Make sure that you make comments and ask questions because we want to make sure that we're answering all your questions for you, and we love comments as well. And last but not least, go ahead and start training with white belt lesson number 5. Okay, let's bow out. Are you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei!
Class attention. Bow courtesy. Well, I'm the Cyber Sensei, and behind me is my Cyber Sensei family, and we can't wait for you to start training with white belt lesson number 5. Everybody give me one clap. Everybody say, Cyber Sensei!